Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 43. How to find related forum to promote affiliate offers. In this video, we will see how you can find related forum to promote your affiliate offers, step by step. So let's get started. So this is how we need to search for forums. Keywords powered by phpbb:/forum. Remember the format, now we copy it and paste it in the Google search bar. In place of keywords, enter your main keyword here and search. So there are all the weight loss related forums. Open a few from here according to your liking. On the first site, you can see a list of all the active forums. Open any one you like, also you have sharing button on right. Next page is not working. Another one is the forum, and here you can see FAQ and login links on top, and below is the forum chat. Next is another forum. Back on Google, let's enter another keyword, i.e. diet. So now we get all the diet related forums. Repeat the process with this one as well. Back to the document, let's copy the second link, keywords powered by vbulletin:/forum, and paste it in Google's search bar. Insert your keyword and search. Now all related forums from vBulletin appear. Open a few from here as well. So here we have a list of all its active forums. You can register in it from this top register tab. Let's open one forum and you can see all the threads in it. Open any one to get involved. Next is another forum, and here you can see their full threads. What people are posting in it. You can repeat the same process with all 6 given links, and this way you will be able to find related forums to promote your affiliate offers. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 44. How to find the best solo ad services to promote affiliate offers. In that video, we will see how to find the best solo ad services to promote your affiliate offers, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.